Hi guys, a tip just came in from a user on YouTube. It's another way to learn something about applications. It's called tldr. So Control T, sudo pacman -s tldr, and install it. It has a few dependencies that, well, we can show that if we do an R and S. So we can repeat again. Remove now stupid, right? Remember it like that. RNS, remove now stupid. And if you click this, you see that there are a few dependencies, well, 3 exactly, that are there, right? Because of the installation of tldr. Now, what is tldr? Sudo pacman -s give me information about tldr. Then we see that there are pages, links that we can follow. We can go to this particular website, but I don't have a browser yet because I'm on pure Arch here. Command line client for tldr, a collection of simplified man pages. I'm just making a video that we can actually ask, give me information about pacman. Now, that was on ArcoLinux. This is on pure Arch, meaning I need to add more stuff. There is some more stuff like man pages. Now I can ask, give me man pacman. Command not found, still not there. So what else do we need? The man database, probably. Let's see if that's the case. We figured it out years ago, right? And it's now all on ArcoLinux website, all ArcoLinux ISOs. So there we go. We have got information. We can read this thing. Fine. Anything else? Well, yeah, we talked about help something, or -h something. That gives us information, but so does it seem tldr, right? Let's see what it provides with pacman. It gives us this information, and you can keep on trying. Copy. Gives us some information, copy, path to source files, X, path to target directory. I mean, it gives us some kind of information, like copy -vr, directory recursively in verbose mode, right? Shows files as they are copied. So yeah, why not? tldr, mv, move things around, and it gives us some examples. This may help people to get to know all these commands and see some examples. So tldr, remember that, sudo pacman -s tldr. All right, cheers.